Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Rebecca Mahalia Miller, aka Becca. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome all returning subscribers and welcome all new subscribers. Like, you're all welcome. Thank you for watching another video of mine. So today, you guys must be wondering, what is she gonna do today? Her hair is not natural. You guys don't mind this. I'm in my yard. This is my yard. So yeah, don't mind this. As you can see, I have on my horoscope chain. I'm a Sagittarius, you know what I'm saying? Yes! Sagittarius. Yes. December 15th. So let's get into the meat of the matter. So guys, I know, it's been such a long year. I mean, like COVID, the pandemic, Rona. There's a lot of names to put to it. Like we're slowly but surely. The good thing is that we're slowly but surely getting into the groove of this being adapted or adjusting ourselves to this new norm. So we just gotta do what we gotta do. People taking vaccine, stuff like that. You have a lot of persons who have recovered from this deadly pandemic. When they catch it, while you have some persons who don't catch it at all. You have some persons catch it and they don't even know when they can. Who to tell I probably catch it and they don't know when they can, But it all depends on you. Take your vitamin C, your supplements, your zinc, all those supplements that you need to take, and just do what you gotta do to make you, a better, your system a better place. Yes. So as for me updates, I'm still in school, really, Mona, studying IR, a major. I'm going to do final exams in a few. So I'm currently studying. I started working because I wanted to focus on studying and preparing for my exams so that I can pass. Because if you fail a course, that's money, right? Yeah. So yeah, things have been going on pretty good so far. Yeah. So I'm thankful and I'm grateful. So what I'm gonna be doing today, I know you guys have been waiting for me to say it. So I did these braids from, when was it? I think the 14th of March, that's a Sunday, for this pageant that I entered in social science. I did the braids and it's like what, for Sunday gone, it was like 4 weeks. That means 4 weeks since I have been this year, and I'm literally so proud of myself because honestly, I don't normally keep my hair in my hair for so long because my hair is easy to irritate me, easy to scratch me. I want to miss my natural hair. That's just me. But like the way this beneath, it actually feels like it still looks nice, to be honest. It's just the roots kind of, But when I actually do my edges and stuff like that, it looks nice, So I don't plan to put it out. Hopefully I can go 2 more weeks and that's it. So today I'm actually going to be doing a video on how to style braids, especially bob braids that are not like fresh, so it's stale, stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing a video on how to style bob braids. Yes. So if you don't want to miss the rest of this video, I'm talking too fast. I'm not a fast talker. If you don't want to miss the rest of this video, guys, please continue watching. Simple as that. And please, my beg, hit the thumbs up. It's not costing you guys anything. Just hit the thumbs up, like do it right now, like yes. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Like, waiting for subscribe. Come on, subscribe. Okay? So go ahead please and stay tuned for other section of this video. So yes guys, welcome back. I'm gonna first start off with, so basically, you know, most times we wear protective styles to, you know, we try to wear it for a long period of time so that you know, your hair can grow underneath, so that, you know, persons who work, persons who have a busy schedule, you know, you don't have to be getting up trying to comb the thick hair that we have, because I can relate to that. Like literally I can relate to that. My hair is so thick. If I don't go to my bed in the night, before I go to my bed, if I don't plait my hair or twist it and moisturize it and tie it, hell and powder also next morning, because my hair will get so thick and tough, trust me. So you know, most times you tend to do protect style one, keep it for all a month or two, stuff like that, so that we can, you know, we can get our money's worth, right? Yes. So 4 weeks and 2 days so far having this here, and I don't intend to put it out until that next 2 weeks or so. Hopefully the rest of this April month, yeah, and then for me can go out and natural hair a little bit, and then after that probably do an next braid or something like that, or show on my wig, who knows. So first I'm going to start off with my elastic band. So as you can see here, you know, some of the roots, like it's kind of loose, so what I'm going to do is to tighten just the front part. The back part is loose, just the front part I'm going to do. So I'm just going to go ahead and take out at least 2 rubber bands. I hope they're strong enough. Yes, it seems so. 2 rubber bands, and start from this one. I think next time I have to probably take 3 rubber bands. Depends on how this one comes out. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna use 2 baskets here. Hopefully it don't burst. Whoa, don't do that. Okay, here we go. I got it. Okay, and the last one. Whew. Whoa, it's make a big difference, honestly. No, I'm not finished as yet, so of course I'm going to go ahead and use, you guys know what I use for my edges already, so yeah. What I don't like about this though, it's good, it holds my hair, but what I don't like is the flakes that it gives me. Like it's really thick, but it actually works out. What I do is to just use my hands and to just brush it in. You see there? Yeah, that's what I don't like about it. But when you use your hand to brush it in, it will just fall into place right there and there. Even though it's kind of white, it's coming out of white fine. That's what I don't like about this edge control, but actually it does hold my hair here. It holds my hair, but like it gives it flakes. I don't like the flakes, but after a while it will go away. So yeah, wow, my hair is looking really nice. Like literally. So, disclaimer, laskets should have been oiled and placed into my hair, but that's not really necessary if you know that you're not going to apply the lasket in and tight, very tight. It's actually slack. It's not tight, because I don't want that. And when you're pulling it out, you're pulling out the lasket, do not drag them out. If you can use a scissors and you know to use a scissors wood, use the scissors and cut it, or use your hand and tear it rather than dragging it. So use your fingertip and grab onto the lasket, and you use your next one and you just tear it like that. Ensure your hair is not in it. Okay, you have to be very careful when it comes down to lasket bands. So I normally I just like earlier today I actually applied coconut oil to my hair scalp. Actually mix it with my magic ear oil. I did that earlier today, so I'm not going to do it over because I did it this morning. I mixed both of them together and applied it to my scalp. Now I'm going to put this into my scalp because this is actually, I bought it at a pharmacy, $965 plus tax. I'm not sure how much exactly the plus tax was add up to, but yes, there you go. So it says peppermint and aloe soothing scalp tonic. It is immediate itch relief, oil absorbing, ideal for use under hair extensions, wig braids, and other protective styles. So I think this is what allowed me to having this braids so long, because normally my hair would scratch me like real bad and I would be so tempted to pull it out, and I would pull it out because I don't like anything uncomfortable. So this actually, it helped me big time. That is the reason why I'm still having the braid and it's still looking fresh and nice. So I'm going to apply a little bit to my hair right now. So while you're applying it, just ensure that you use your hands to rub on your scalp as if you're moisturizing it, okay? Yeah, I don't need much because, as I said earlier, I kind of, apply coconut oil and earrings to my scalp. So initially I was going to use, I think I can use this, do a little style really. I think I'm gonna use it. Yes, use it. And there we go. I'm 100% certain that my hair is much better than how it was before, like when I just came on. So, oh my god, I forgot something. I always forget this. Why am I always forgetting this? Okay, and spray. Woo! guys, so I'm through. This is how I look. This is the final look. This is what you can do if you're having braids and it's getting stale and you want to keep it for a longer period of time. You just use some elastic bands, apply the oil to it. Even if you don't apply the oil to it, ensure that it's slack and it's not tight to your scalp, because that will prevent hair growth, cause hair breakage to your edges, stuff like that, especially if your hair is thin. So this is the end of this video. Thank you guys for coming thus far in watching this video. You have reached the end. I love you guys so much. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, guys. Be safe. Love y'all.